Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this sub-series, we are going to see how to perform update, delete and combination of insert and update using the merge statement. In this video, we will look at updating one column or updating more than one column. So to proceed with the update example, we will create a dummy table, and here if you see, we are creating dummy table as DEPT del. So in the previous video we saw this technique. So here select department ID name led by from test.department. This will produce a set of records, and those records will be supplied to this table. So SQL Server will create a new table, then copy the content. So after executing this statement, we'll be having DEPT del. So next here we are just selecting from the DEPT del just to make sure data exists on the table, as well as we ensure that a table get created. Next here test.dept del set led by Ashwini, where department ID equal to 1. So if our table contains, so it doesn't matter how many column it has. So what is important is we are modifying the column led by, and in the condition we are invoking department ID. So let's state that this is a department ID and the column value is XYZ, and this specific column name is led by. And this one is a DEPT ID. Right, so in the where class it will pick this department ID, then update this value with Ashwini. Next we just make a select statement on department del just to make sure that the update is succeeded. So this technique is to update a single column, because in the set statement if you see here we have only one column, set led by equal to Ashwini. So we are telling that update the table department del, pick the record department ID equal to 1, then pick the column led by and set the value as Ashwini. So it doesn't matter what was the previous value, just replace that with Ashwini, right? So here we updated one column. Here in this case if you see update test.dept del set, this is one column, here we are updating led by AP Kumar, then name marketing. So selection record if you say, we are still picking the department ID equal to 1. So it picks the record with the department ID equal to 1. Then we perform two update. So here this is the update for first column, and here we are updating the second column, and column name we are separating it by comma. Next we make a simple select statement just to check update is succeeded or not. Finally we drop our DEPT del table. So we just created a clone here just for testing purpose. After making the update statement, we are deleting the or we are not even deleting, we are completely dropping the table. Alright, now we will go to the demo and see how it works. So we will create a new query window, and in the CTube database we already have the department table, and if you see, department table contains 3 columns: department ID, name, and led by. Now we will create a clone out of, we will change the database name here to CTube, and first we will execute this select into statement, so that we will get a DEPT del table. Okay, we need to execute it fully. So if you see, SQL Server created a table DEPT del and copied 3 rows. So that means the parent here is department contains only 3 rows, and those 3 rows are copied to the new table. Now we will refresh the table node, and you can see DEPT del. So when I make a selection, you can see these are all the records here. There are 3 departments: sales, purchase, as well as stores. Now we will go to the second statement. So the second statement here is update statement. Update DEPT del. We are telling I want to update the table DEPT del. Set led by equal to Ashwini. This column we are updating. Record where department ID equal to 1. So together, where department ID equal to 1, that means there are 3 columns eligible for the update, but here we are updating only the led by. So AP Kumar will get changed into Ashwini. So now let me go with the update. So if I select the content of the table again, you can see AP Kumar is changed as Ashwini. Now sales department is led by Ashwini. So this is the example for updating single column. So this is the column we are updating. Column name is led by, and we are updating it as Ashwini. And in the record selection, we are placing a where condition so that only one row get updated and led by is changed. Now we will update more than one column or multiple column. Here update DEPT del, the same stuff we are using. Where condition department, that means this row will be picked, and we want to update name as well as led by. So led by AP Kumar, name marketing. So here we are changing the department name as well as the leader of the department. Both we are changing. To update multiple column, you have to use the comma. So column 1 equal to new value, column 2 equal to new value. Alright, now we will execute this, and if you see, it states that one row affected, and when we select it, we can see the updated columns. Now new column name is marketing, and it's led by AP Kumar. So that's all. We just experimented the update statements. Now we will drop the table. Command completed successfully. Refresh. Under table, now we have only the department, and our test table is deleted. Alright, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.